we are offering you a complete guide on using YNB for beginners in 2025. This video will help you finding the key steps and features, so don't forget to watch till the end. Getting started with YNB, visit web.com and click on Try It Free. Create an account by entering your email and setting a password. No credit card information is required for the 34-day free trial. Answer question about your financial goals, whether you are living paycheck to paycheck, trying to get out of debt, or optimizing savings. Be honest to get personalized advice. Check your inbox for the verification email from WAP and confirm your email address. Now, YNB categorize spending into three groups: wants, needs, and bills. Set targets for each category, specifying how much you want to spend monthly, weekly, or yearly. Use the built-in calculator to make budgeting easier. Calculate monthly grocery costs. Set deadlines for goals like saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Now, track your progress with visual representations and adjust targets as needed. You can also link your bank accounts. You can either link your bank account to YNB for automatic transaction inputting or manually input your balances and transaction. YNB encrypts your banking credential for security. Optionally, you can add additional accounts later. You can also allocate your money, give every dollar a job. After linking accounts, allocate your available funds to savings or immediate expenses. Prioritize bills, savings, or other financial goals. YNB's Reflect tab provides reports like spending breakdown, spending trends, net worth report, income versus expense report. In spending breakdown, colorful chart showing where your money goes. How your spending changes over time will be shown in spending trends. Net worth report tracks your assets versus liability. Income versus expense report compares earning with spendings. After setting up your accounts, you will have a comprehensive overview of your finances. Filters help focus on specific areas such as underfunded, categorized with insufficient fund, overfunded, categorized where you have allocated more money than necessary, money available, categorized with available funds to spend, not categorized, temporarily put on hold. YNB offers powerful reports and tools that help you analyze and control your finances efficiently, allowing you to adjust your spending and saving goals as your situation evolves. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.